Hello everyone, it's Lucid Drummer here with yet another indicator showcasing video. Today's indicator is going to be by Lansam the Blue as well, because this is his latest version of divergences for many indicators. Indicator. This is the fourth version and it comes with a lot of new stuff. Let's take a look at them. You go in, you go type divergence at the indicators section. And then here it is, divergence for main indicators version 4. Click that and open it up. Yep, here it is. Pretty much like the third version of the indicator, but a lot of new stuff. For example, divergences everywhere. A little bit bad on our eyes, so first, and I like this one of the most, show only the last divergence section. Added by Lansam W. This way it's a lot easier on your eye. And you can choose whether it's going to show divergences based on regular, hidden, or both regular and hidden divergences. I use regular. Show on last divergences is checked. As you can see, show divergence number. If I uncheck this, it will only show the names of the divergences. And about the names as well, you can optimize it as well and customize it. A lot of things made customizable by Blue at the fourth version of this indicator, which I definitely like. Don't wait for confirmation option added by Blue, which means that by default, the indicator waits for that part to be closed with the divergence. But if we enable this, then it won't wait for you for label divergence to you, because it will just show it directly when a divergence happens. If you uncheck it, it waits for it to be confirmed as a divergence. And this way, if you check this, divergences will be shown a bar earlier. Yeah, I might say that this is actually the way divergences should be used. You might say that it isn't, so up to you. I use it checked. I kind of like to see it early because I don't only trade divergences. I don't trade divergences by their own, and you shouldn't too, because divergences are not always an indicator that there will be a trend reversal. Divergences can also indicate that the trend, uptrend or downtrend, is really strong as well. So careful about that. And before using this indicator, I think that you should be aware of the soul of the divergences. By all means, know what divergences are, know how they happen to be on the indicators, and then this is awesome. Definitely useful indicator. Let's go on. You can, show pivot points, all the indicators that divergences are shown on. And there's some interesting stuff here. Check external indicator. What is it? Add an indicator down there, whether it's MACD or anything else. You choose your external indicator and then you check this box, and then the indicator will show divergences on the indicator that you added as well, which is kind of amazing. Customizable, I said, definitely customizable. Let's customize the labels. Let's make positive regulars green and negative regulars pink. You can even customize the text color on the divergences. Doesn't really matter. And you can enable or disable the lines that are shown on divergences by clicking this box. I like the lines, so I use them, and you can customize the lines as well. Let's make it a bit thinner, and then Let's make it dotted. Dot. I don't know. And this is Divergence for Many Indicators by Lansam the Blue at TradingView. I will leave all these links, this link down below so that you can check it by yourself. Thanks, Blue, and thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.